I'm gonna show you an easy way how to make a watermelon juice just using a blender, a strainer, and all you need is some jars. I like to use glass jars. I have a few of these. I bought it on Amazon, and I have the big jugs too for juices. Super easy. You just gotta blend all the watermelon. I don't use water or anything else. It's just watermelon. I'm gonna add a little more. And you use a spoon to help. You just put it to strain. Now this, I just throw it away. I don't use it. I don't eat it. I throw what's left in here. I just throw it away. See, if you use a container like this, you don't need a funnel. If you don't have one, get a funnel.